G'day, it's Chris here from Past Outdoors. I'm going to take you through Helinox's Chair Zero range, which is their lightest range of chairs. Here we've got the Chair Zero in the regular size, the large, and the Highback. Comes in with the grey and the melon frame here, and also in the black and the blue frame. What we really like about them is how lightweight they are, only coming in at 509 grams, while still being strong enough to be able to sit someone up to 120 kilos. They're really compact, just about double the size of an Nalgene, so they sit really nicely in the side of your pack. I like to take mine on multi-day walks in me, just giving myself a little bit of extra comfort while I'm out in the backcountry. So it comes with a seat cover here, and the Korean-made jack poles, which are really lightweight and really strong, also used in a lot of tents these days. Just snaps together like so, making sure it's the right side up. We just pop them in to the corners here, making it a really breezy setup. This one's large here. It's just a little bit wider, a little bit taller, a bit more comfortable, sits up to 145 kilos. Next, we've got the Highback. Just ensuring a little bit more back support, you can rest your head, just a bit more of a comfortable chair. Now, these are really easy to put away as well. Just reversing what we did earlier, taking all these off the corners. I like to fold mine in three and gently pulling apart the poles. I love using my Helinox when I'm out hiking, to pop them up on really rocky areas. Around the campfire is really nice. Just ensuring I have the best time when I'm out there. Now it just rolls up like this. Sits right back easily into the pouch. As I mentioned earlier, I like putting mine in the side of my hiking pack. Here we've got the Expert Lightning Pack, which is a past favourite. Just slides in right there. These are one of our favourite chairs to take out when we're out hiking, multi-day walking, even just day walks. If you guys have any questions about Chair Zeros or any of Helinox's range, don't hesitate to give us a call or send us a message. Thank you.